Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Tiffanie, and today we'll be making apple cinnamon muffins. To prepare the cinnamon streusel topping, combine the butter, flour, sugar, and cinnamon and a pinch of salt in a hand-mixing bowl. Mix until crumbly in texture, then set aside for the muffins. For the muffins, in one bowl, combine the sifted dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and optionally, nutmeg and ginger. Then, in a separate bowl, mix the wet ingredients: oil, milk, and egg. Combine wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Do not overmix. Fold in the apples. Portion into muffin tins half full and sprinkle streusel on top. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. Enjoy with your favorite beverage, either for breakfast or served warm with whipped cream as the perfect after-dinner treat. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.